your information lang, like getting to know your coach. I've been teaching aerial book since 2018, so I'm an expert certified aerial book instructor. It's an international certifying body for aerial teachers. So, ang aerial book originated ko na siya, it was made popular din sa circus, pero karon, ano na siya, ginahinga na siya, incorporate sa fitness. Alright, so for safety lang din for everybody, kanang na-way injuries na I should be aware of, or illness, kailangan ko yung sultian, so that wala yung mga injuries, mga, okay, wala? Wala. Sige. Sibutan na naman. Start na ta. So, mo-start na sa to ang class of cardio na workout, and then I follow with dynamic stretch, and then I will give you conditioning exercises before tawag sa mga tricks sa area na ihatag ninyo, and then we will end with a cool down. So I hope everyone was able to sign sa waiver. Kaya nangakuan na tanan. So 5-year spot lang, 5 any comfortable spot, avoid lang and be careful lang sa hooks. Kaya basta, ari dali ma'am, occupy dali. Ay, kadali